In part 3 of our WordPress themes using post classes, we're going to look at the content using an excerpt and a thumbnail. In this example, we can see alternate thumbnails switched left and right. Winter Warmer has the image on the left and A Little Lighter has the image on the right. Let's look at the code to produce this output. Let's start with style.css. Here we can see we have switch 1 and switch 2. This is what we've named our two different content areas. We can see that they both float left. They've got a minimum height of 1 pixel, a width of 100%. This will be the thumbnail image inside each content area. The thumbnail height auto, maximum width 200 pixels. We put a nice 5 pixel solid border and a little box shadow. Switch 1 image we want to float left, and the switch 2 image we want to float right. And here we can see we've added margins to give spacing to our text. The margin is top, right, bottom, left. We copied content.php into our child theme and renamed this content-thumbnail.php. We added 3 lines of comment, 4 lines of comment, and inside the post class we've added switch 1, which relates back to our style sheet. Here, all we want to show is a post thumbnail and excerpt. So we've added a condition here to see if it has a post thumbnail. If it has, then we output the post thumbnail size list. Using get template part content thumbnail left, this would be our output. For our content thumbnail right, we copied content thumbnail left, and we just changed this line here to say switch 2. And here is the output using get template part content thumbnail right. For the content thumbnail switched, we have added this block of code. WP query is a global variable. dr classes is an array holding switch 1, switch 2. To return our class, we do dr classes square bracket WP query current post. WP query current post is 0 based, so 10 posts per page, we've got 0 to 9. We now have our modulus, which is this percent sign, and count of dr classes. Count of dr classes is 2, so we're doing the current post modulus 2, which will return either a 0 or a 1, a true or false. Here, class is put into our post classes, so that will either be 0, switch 1, or 1, switch 2. For more information, visit http://digitalraindrops.net.